You know those skincare products that are so soothing they feel like therapy, but for your face? Yeah, this skincare lineup from Purito Seoul might be the most soothing thing I have ever put on my skin. Let's talk about the serum, the gel cream, the bamboo barrier, and that dreamy soft touch sunscreen, because this routine just changed my entire skin vibe. First up, the Centella serum. You already know that Centella is that girl when it comes to calming inflammation, but the formula? No fluff, no fragrance, no drama. Just lightweight, fast absorbing hydration that makes my skin exhale. It's got cremides, peptides, and niacinamide, all that good stuff. My redness significantly toned it down. My barrier feels hugged. This is the kind of serum you keep coming back to because your skin literally misses it when it's gone. Layer 2, the Oat-In Calming Gel Cream. This is hydration without heaviness. It sinks in like water but still somehow leaves with that pillowy bounce. It's loaded with oat and panthenol, so it's basically like putting a cold compress on your skin that's stressed, hot, or overly exfoliated. This is my go-to when I feel like my face needs to chill. Then we lock it in with the mighty bamboo panthenol cream. This one has serious barrier repair energy. It's thicker than oat cream but still breathable. Think of it like skincare's version of wrapping yourself in a plush blanket. The bamboo water gives it that fresh, hydrating finish, and the panthenol seals everything in without feeling greasy. It layers beautifully even under sunscreen or makeup. It's that final step that makes my skin feel protected. Speaking of layering, the Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen, this SPF is a problem solver. It's weightless, matte, and doesn't peel, even after all those previous layers. I love that it disappears on the skin, no white cast or slick residue, and it has Centella too, so it doesn't just protect, it soothes. I wear it every single day and it behaves like skincare, not just sunscreen. All four of these work in harmony. You got to calm, hydrate, repair, protect, all in one lineup. No unnecessary ingredients, no irritation. Just skin that feels genuinely better. If you're in your sensitive skin era or your skin just needs a reset, this routine right here is the reset.